Alright, welcome to another episode of What's Off-Road. This weekend we're off to Seaspray to stay at a lovely caravan park in there. They're dog friendly. Do a bit of fishing. We're not taking any toys. Just going to be hanging out. When are we leaving? Saturday. It's about 8:30 in the morning. And yeah, we're going to be back Tuesday for a bit of excitement.
I know, we're off for another trip.
For another trip. So hope you enjoy. Stay tuned.
So we've just had to do a little stopover at Yarragon to have a look at the car because it's stinking like fuel at the moment. But we're going to check out that little bakery you can see over there. It looks so cute. They've got a little deli connected to it and apparently they do really good pies and coffee. So we are going to check it out. What do you reckon, little man? We'll check it out? Go get some coffee? Yeah? Yeah. Is that you? We'll go check out that little bakehouse. So it's the Yarragon country style bakehouse. So if you ever get a chance to come through East Gippsland, make sure you check it out. It looks really cute and hopefully the food and coffee's good. We'll let you know.
Where'd you go, babe? Where's coffees? Where's my hot chuggy?
Well, apparently they don't do coffees. They've only got the ones like 7-Eleven where you push the button, which is really disappointing. But I managed to get some bread from there, which is really fresh.
The next best thing compared to a hot chocolate.
Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed about the coffee actually. They really need to get a coffee machine. I think they'd do really well. But their pies did look amazing. So if you get a chance to stop here and you really like pies and pasties, they looked 10 out of 10.
Or their sesame seed bread.
Or their sesame seed bread.
My
Definitely
favourite.
a good place to get freshly cooked bakery bread.
I know, you're missing out. You're missing out on your choggy, mate. You are, I know.
So we just pulled into the Seaspray Caravan Park, which is just along 90 Mile Beach. And we're going to be staying here for around 4 days, hopefully. We'll do a little bit of fishing. As you can see, this is the main town of Seaspray. And just up that road there is access to the beach. So you're only about 30 seconds from it.
Good old windy, overcast Seaspray. Not great for fishing. Good for babies though.
He's loving it.
Super chuffed. Well, he was.
Yeah.
Not so much anymore. Don't know. It's all bad looking, both of them. Alright, 6 AM Monday morning. Got the drone. Ready to go out, try some fishing and get some baits out past the surf. Got the quick release gimbal on it. So give it a whirl, see how we go. Hopefully I don't lose it in the ocean.
That's definitely one way to get your bait out further in the ocean. And that was an epic fail.
If anybody's camping at Seaspray and finds a DJI Phantom 3 drone, please holler because it's out there somewhere. Yeah, the bottom hook accidentally caught the propeller and in she went. We should hopefully have the footage on here because we did see it flop around and then boom, make a bit of a splash into the water. So, if you do find it, let us know, please. Probably won't be good for anything other than sentimental value, I think, of how not to drone fish. Right, here from What's Off-Road. Thanks for watching. It's only a short video this time, down at Seaspray.
Yeah, just a quick family vacation.
Here we go, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today's Tuesday. It's already hot and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. So that's it for us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for us. Really help it.
And leave a comment below if you have any feedback for us.
Awesome. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.